Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Okings. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a really easy, simple, go-to natural hairstyle. So I'm going to be using this leave-in conditioner, which I got from Nigeria. I've always used this leave-in conditioner just to spray on my hair to make sure my hair is not dry while I take down this braid. I made these braids last night just for this video to make sure my hair is a bit stretched and detangled and all of that good stuff, because I like working with my natural hair when it's stretched out. It's just way easier for me to work with it that way. So I used the leave-in conditioner and I also applied some moisturizer last night and put it in these braids, and this is what my hair is looking like. As you know, I trimmed my hair so it's a bit short, and I think that is actually one of the reasons why I'm making this video. I've done this hairstyle on my channel before, I believe, but I've not done it to be short hair friendly, if that makes any sense. And when I sat down to think about it, when I was looking at the video, I'm like, oh, I could make this to show you guys the short hair, like this hairstyle for people with like shorter hair. So I thought to myself, I should definitely do that. So I'm going to make a part in front and section that away, and then I'm going to this is me attempting to brush comb my hair. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I'm not like thoroughly trying to detangle. I'm just brushing the rest of my hair to the back. I'm going to make a twist now just so it's out of my way, and now I'm going to work with the back section first before I go back to the first section. I'm going to divide the back section into two sections because you guys are going to see the reason as to why I'm separating it in two sections. So I'm just going to use a scrunchie to hold down each sections, and then I'm going to start working with the front part again. So for the front part, I'm going to make a side part. I feel like my middle part is already having like a stagnant line there or a permanent line there, and I honestly do not like that. So for my hairstyles, I'm trying to go more for the side part, since my hair is still okay there. For the middle part, I don't want it to form like I think there's this word where you part your hair too much in that area and then it sticks, but yeah, well, avoiding that, okay? And I just think this style works better for a side part. So I made the side part. I'm going to roll twist the hair. You can flat twist, you can braid it, but I just felt this is like the easiest thing to do. Everyone can do this. Just make sure your hands are firm on your scalp as you roll twist. Then I'm going to use two bobby pins to bobby pin the ends. So why am I using a bobby pin? Just because my hair is short, it cannot meet each other at the middle of my head, if that makes sense. So I'm going to use a bobby pin to just secure the ends. That way the ends are secure and I don't have to use like a scrunchie or anything that would probably maybe cause a bump, and it's still short hair friendly. So if you have shorter hair, if you have short hair length, if your hair is like mine, you can definitely get this look. You can definitely make this look. If your hair is longer, you can just put it in a scrunchie, or you can also use the bobby pins as well. The bobby pins method was really easy to do. I just made sure I secured the ends, and being that I did the roll twist, you have to make sure you properly secure it unless it's going to unravel. And when I'm done putting the pins, I'm going to add one more pin in the front section, because I just like to do this whenever I do a roll twist, because I just make sure I secure the front and it's not unraveling, if that makes any sense. So for the first part I sectioned, I'm going to put it in a low bun, using that to cover the ends of the roll twist. So I'm going to put it down below and just making sure everything is neat and smooth and good looking. And then I'm going to put that in a low bun or a low puff. What do we call short hair bun? Yeah, we're going to do that. I did that. Now I'm going to section this part into three sections. I'm going to take the middle part, roll it over the puff I made, or with the puff I made, and pin that in, making sure it's secure. I packed all of the hair. making sure I packed it properly and pinning it down to secure it properly. Then I'm going to take the one on the right side, cross it over to the left as well, and then secure it with a bobby pin and do the same thing from the other side. Guys, I don't know if I have bald spots. I doubt I do, but yeah, I don't know what's going on with the back of my hair. Okay, ever since the bald spots, I don't know what's going on with it. I'm going to use this brush to make sure my hair is neat. Having 4C hair, your hair can have like coils, you know, those round tiny curls. So always make sure your hair is brushed, especially if you're not using gel. As you know, on this channel I rarely use gel because gel does not work on my hair. So I just like to brush it down and make sure everything is set and neat. You know, if you don't use gel, always make sure you brush your hair because you still have to look neat regardless. Anyways, I'm going to tie my hair down in a scarf. You know, it's like my normal routine whenever I'm doing a hairstyle. I just feel tying your hair down with a scarf it irons out the hair one way or the other. And yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. I'm going to take out the scarf and look at this beauty, guys. This hairstyle I think this is my go-to hairstyle. Like, this is the hairstyle I can do at any given time. If I have to rush out, if I have to do anything, this is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm just going to close this video now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is me about to speak with you guys. All right, this is what the hair is looking like. It's absolutely stunning. You cannot tell me anything. It's easy. It's giving brunch with the girls. It's giving quick meeting with my manager. It's giving, you know, it's giving class, it's giving elegance. You can style it up, you can style it down. I think I styled it down, I think, because this is something I can just, if I have a friend that would call me automatically for brunch, which I would definitely go out like this. One of the things I'm intentionally trying out is color, and I'm not mad. Like, this pink looks absolutely stunning on my skin tone, and the style is just perfect. So yeah, I did not stretch my hair. I just put it in braids last night. I moisturized it with this leave-in conditioner and I put it in braids, and that's pretty much all for it. Okay, so I've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.